you know how you have to put goggles on because it's going to explode. And if you get that in your eyes, then it would probably really hurt, and it would probably mess up your eye. So that's why we need science goggles. But I don't really need science goggles in this case. I just brought them.
Very good. That's very good. So tell us a little bit about, do you have a name for your experiment yet or no?
I call it the baking soda experiment, basically.
Okay. All right. And tell us a little bit about what you're going to do.
Well, I can tell you how it happens. It's where vinegar and baking soda come together to make a gas, and the bubbles from it just kind of explode out. So, yeah, you know how to use food coloring, but it's very easy.
Tell us what ingredients you have there too, so that we know exactly what's happening.
Okay, so this is vinegar. It looks like water, but it's vinegar, so don't drink it. Like, it's not poisonous, but it tastes very terrible. I know from tasting it. And then this is baking soda. This is a cup to measure our vinegar, some blue food coloring, a little narrow container, and this is to measure our baking soda.
Very good. Do you know what that tool is called? Anybody remember?
Like a half of a teaspoon.
What is it, Austin?
It's a half of a teaspoon.
Yes, but what do we call the tool? You remember? Yes, ma'am, Jolie? Okay, a measuring spoon. We talked about measuring cups that are larger. That's a measuring spoon. Very good.
So I can start now?
You can go whenever you're ready.
And I can open this. I can open it.
She's got it. She can do it, unless you need an assistant.
Okay, someone help me. Let's see if anyone can open this. I can. Oh, Evan did it. How did
Good. Thank you. Good job.
it tastes disgusting. It tastes disgusting probably more than it smells. Yeah, it smells like mayonnaise. I put it in my hair one time. I had to.
All right, so tell us what you're doing.
I'm just pouring it into this cup. Probably need about half of a cup. About that much. Maybe a little bit tiny. But that's good. Can I open that? No. See if I can. Okay. Think Evan again, because he could do the... And they're the same kind of jar. Maybe that. Evan, give it to me. Evan, use your legs. See if that works. Like
There we go. Way to go, Chloe.
I think he loosened it.
I think Evan, he loosened it. That's what we always say at my house.
That hurts when it breaks.
All right, so now what are you getting?
I just got a half of a spoon of baking soda. Now what are you going to do? Put it in the
All right, let's see what's next.
Put 1 drop of food coloring. Wait, I'm going to pour this baking soda out because I did something wrong. But don't worry. Sound of my heart. The baking soda. So I just got to pour this out right now, actually. I have this nervous.
All right, nobody's passing the Atlantic Ocean. Back up.
Trust me, if you pass the Atlantic Ocean, then I get on you.
Satchel, sit down a little bit. Thank you.
Of course he's going to get on her. Now he's going to get the baking soda. I can't see.
All right, so what are you adding the baking soda to now?
The container.
Okay.
I'm going to put a baking soda inside again. I'm going to make it pop up on my left. And it's going to can't tell everybody.
Yeah, don't tell you. Let it just happen.
Is it seriously going to explode? Yeah, it is.
You just have to wait and see.
What was it? I don't need that. So I'm going to put these 2 things to the side. So, no. These things to the side. Yeah. Let's see if this works.
All right, so what are you adding to what?
I'm adding the vinegar with food coloring in it to the baking soda.
All right, so here we go.
It's gonna explode.
Wow.
That's awesome. It didn't explode like it was supposed to, but it's exploding now. It was like
So what's happening, do you think? What do y'all think is going on? Call on a few of your friends to take a guess, and then you can help them
Jaden?
think through it.
I think is the bubbles that's floating up and going down.
No.
Okay.
You should add
Vinegar. I don't have. Well, I could, but not right now. Satchel.
I don't think.
You could put this on. No.
I don't
That's
think.
kind of it, but not really. You know? I think it's because
You add vinegar inside the baking soda.
no, actually, it's not. You see, vinegar is like this type of thing, and baking soda is something else. I think vinegar is like this. It's called a base. I think vinegar is, or baking soda is the base. But when they're put together, they make this gas, and its bubbles explode up to the top.
Okay, so let's look back. She has baking soda. Hold up the baking soda. Do you think that's a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Everybody.
It's a gas.
Solid. Okay. Hold up the vinegar. Do you think that's a solid, a liquid, or a gas?
Gas. Solid.
Liquid. Think about liquids you can drink. We wouldn't want to drink that, but we could.
We can't
So,
drink this, but it tastes disgusting.
yes. So she mixed a solid with a liquid, and what did it form, do you think?
A blue
Well, not the blue was just for fun.
Formed a gas.
It formed a gas. Very good. So she's shown us all three states of matter, okay? Anything else you want to share with us? You going to try to get it to fizzle up again?
Yeah,
Okay.
but that's not going to help. I'm just putting it.
There we
It's
go.
going to help a little bit.
There we go.
That's how it's feeling.
Wow. All right, you need an assistant to get some paper towels for you, okay? She's done awesome today. I think we need to give her a Trojan yell. Ready?
Norah!
Good job.